Hi, welcome to Alfa Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely example of an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Now this is a 2017 on a 67 plate. We're finished in Vesuvio Grey, which is one of the best colours for these vehicles. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Mega low mileage, fantastic service history, both keys. Let's have a look around it. So we've got full exterior carbon fibre package. So your front, lower splitter, that's in carbon fibre. 17 plate there. We've got front and rear parking sensors. We've got headlamp wash, LED daytime running lights. We've got the iconic 4-leaf cloverleaf badging. We're riding on these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels finished in a dark graphite grey. You've got the Alfa Romeo matte black calipers, and we're shod in Michelin tyres all round. These are the Pilot Sport tyres. Looking down the side of the vehicle, no signs of any dents. We've got gloss black window surrounds. We've got keyless entry, all 4 alloys, free from any curbing. And then looking through to the back, this is the most aggressive angle of the car. So we've got the lovely quad exhaust tips, very aggressive lower diffuser. This one's got the carbon fibre spoiler on the back as well. Looks fantastic in the sunshine. And then jumping into the boot there, you've got quite a bit of luggage space. You've got a bit of added storage down there. You'll find your tyre inflation kit. We've got reversing camera on this vehicle, and then again going through to condition, looking down the side of the vehicle, looking at the wheels, looking at the tyres, looking down here where you tend to pick up stone chips. You can tell the vehicle, it's not been raced and rallied, it's not been owned by a racer boy, it's come off a very a nice local gentleman who we know quite well. Now inside, half leather and Alcantara sport seats. So the Alcantara in the centres just allows the seat to breathe, very nice and grippy. We've got the Alfa Romeo embossed into the headrests. We've got contrasting white and green stitch that follows through the car. Driver's seat is 3-way memory. So ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver 1, partner can be driver 2. Seats are fully electric, heated. You've got heated steering wheel as well as a part of the winter package. And then we've got the tailored floor mats as well. Just before we jump in, we'll look through to the rear. So looking at the backs of the front seats, looking at the seats themselves, looking at the contrasting stitch, Isofix points. These seats look like they've never been sat in. They're in absolutely superb order. And then jumping inside, stop the beeping. You'll find carbon fibre everywhere on this car. So on the dashboard, around your grab handles, we've got HARMAN KARDON surround sound system on this vehicle as well. Automatic lights, automatic wipers as well, with main beam assist. Park folding mirrors. When you lock the car, they fold in straight away. I do love the styling on these Giulias because they are very Italian, very sports car. You've got this sloping dashboard with the contrasting stitch. You've got the starter button on the actual steering wheel. It looks a fantastic car. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 39,962 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Looking at the steering wheel, there's no signs of any wear, there's no nicks. Looking at the gear selector, that's exactly the same. Looking then round all your carbon fibre detailing, there's no gouges, no scratches. Centre armrest is in absolutely fantastic order. It's not been smoked in, it doesn't smell of any sort of pets. You can tell it is a very well looked after example. Now coming through to the centre, you'll find your DAB radio. Obviously you've got satellite navigation, music streaming, everything that you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. And then you've got your selectable driving modes. So you've got A for obviously efficiency, then you've got N for neutral, D for dynamic mode, and then when you flick it into race, there we go, press and hold it into race, you can feel the car change straight away. It's popped up on the dashboard saying race, your front anti-collision switch is off, traction control is reduced, your revs go up slightly, ready for you to launch the vehicle. You've got your active dampeners as well, so they operate. So you've got mid dampeners. Normally when you flick it into dynamic mode, you can alter them as well. So you've got soft dampening, harder dampening, and you can definitely feel it through the steering when you're taking those turns. It just changes into a different beast. So if you would like anything further on this vehicle, finance wise, we've got some very good finance packages, nice low rate at the moment as well. If you've got a part exchange, we can happily give you a price over the phone via email. But if there's anything that you need, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alfamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.